We'll guide you through how to download and install Sodium in Minecraft. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Sodium is a really great optimization mod. So with it, we can drastically go and improve your performance. So it's going to go and make things better, and it also is going to go and change up your video settings as well. So we're going to guide you through how we can go and download and install it for beginners, so you can watch this step by step and you're going to end up with it on your computer. So without any further ado, let's get started. Go and pause the game, and you want to go and press save and quit to title, and you want to go and close Minecraft off completely. Before we get any further, a big shout out to the sponsor of this video, Apex Hosting. If you're in need of a Minecraft server, check out the link in the description and in the pinned comment. Right now, you can get 25% off your first order, so it's definitely worth checking out. So you're can get a lag-free, customizable server ready in minutes, and you can start playing with your friends really easily. They've got great features like 24/7 server and support, meaning if you need any help for your always online server, you can get it. Automated backups, unlimited slots, and a free subdomain, and much more as well. So go and check them out. But now, first of all, we need to go and start by getting Sodium. So you want to go and head to a site called Curse Forge. This is my favorite place for getting Minecraft mods. There are other sites out there, but this is my go-to. Then you can select Minecraft here, and you can press search for Minecraft mods. Type in Sodium like so, and here it is here. As you can see, the fastest and most compatible rendering optimization mod for Minecraft. Go and click on it. Now you can read through the description here, but we're going to focus on downloading and installing it. So press files. Now you're going to go and see a lot of different options here. So first of all, the mod loader we're looking for is Fabric. So Fabric allows us to go and run Sodium. Don't worry, we'll guide you through it all. And then we're looking for the game version. So some people do want to go and get an older version if they've got mods for an older version, but because we're focusing on just Sodium, we're going to get the latest version possible. So in that case, it is 1.21.11. And then make sure that it's for Fabric, and you can press the three dots to the right, and you want to go and press download file, like so. Now it's going to be, you'll be taken here. It's going to automatically start downloading in just a moment. As you can see, it's now downloaded, great. Then what we're going to do is we're going to go and head back to Google for now. And the next thing we need to do is go and get Fabric, as that is what basically runs and loads it. So go and type it in, Fabric Minecraft. You can then come to the site, fabricmc.net. Here you go and find the option for download, which you can then click on. Now there is the universal jar, but the Windows installer is much, much easier. So we're going to be using that. So go and click on it. That's now downloaded. And what we need to do is go and get the Fabric API here. So this then goes and makes it compatible with mods. So go and click here. Then we want to go and press files. Once again, you can read this through. Now what's super important here is that you then go and get it for the correct version. So you would have noted down, I got it for 1.21.11, for you it may be different. But essentially the game version needs to be the same for Sodium, for Fabric API, and for Fabric. So I'll show you how we'll then go and get the same version in Fabric, so keep watching. So as you can see, 1.21.11, we can come to the right, press the three dots and press download file. Now go and wait, and it's going to start automatically downloading. As you can see, it's now downloaded. That has been blocked, so I'm just going to click on it and press download suspicious file. I've used it before, it's fine. Now we've finished in Chrome, so we can come out of here or your web browser. I'll just come out of the launcher as well. We'll go and close that. Now you want to come into your downloads. So go and open up File Explorer and find downloads. And this is what we just went and downloaded. So if you want to make it easier, you can go and put them on your desktop just so you can go and keep track of it all. Let me just go and delete these other files just so we don't get distracted. So first of all, we need to go and run the Fabric installer. So double click on that. This is going to go and open up, as you can see. What's super important is you go and choose the right version. As I said, I got it for 1.21.11, for you it may be different. So make sure you go and get that. Then you want to go and select create profile, press install. Now it's going to go and download, and you can go and press OK. We can close it. So it's that simple. That's downloaded and installed. Then you want to press search at the bottom, and you want to go and open up the Minecraft launcher, and you want to go and press installations. Now you can come down, find the Fabric loader, then press the open installations folder icon to the right. This opens up. And in here, you want to go and scroll down and find the option for, or folder, I should say, for mods. If you can't find it, right click on some blank space and go and create it. And then you can come into it. Now I've already got something in here. Make sure nothing's in here. Otherwise it can go and cause problems. And then what we need to do is go and drag in the Fabric API and then Sodium. So if they're on your desktop, it's really easy to do that. So there we go. Then what you can do is go and close the folder and come back to Minecraft, and we can press play in the top left. Make sure to the left of play, you go and select Fabric Loader. Now you can go and get more mods for Fabric as well. Just make sure they're for 1.21.11. Then what you can do is go and press play. Understand the rest of playing a modded version of Minecraft. It's fine. We'll press play and it's now downloading. It shouldn't go and take long. And then when it does, it's going to automatically go and launch. So just go and wait. So in the bottom left, it will go and say Fabric Modded. Pause the game, press options and go to video settings, and you're going to go and see Sodium in the top left. And these are going to look different, and you've got more options for optimizing the game. But also you are just going to go and find that it's going to run better as well. The great thing about Sodium as well is that you can go and get something called Iris shaders, which runs with Sodium, and you can then go and get shader packs, and they completely change the look of Minecraft. We've got a guide on that you can go and check out. But that's it. That's how you can go and get Sodium. Hopefully now your Minecraft experience is better. Remember, if you want to go and get a Minecraft server to start playing with your friends, go and check out Apex Hosting. Big thanks to them for sponsoring this video.